10 FREE cybersecurity code projects. Every beginner should know. What if you could learn real cybersecurity skills without paying for expensive software? You don't need a secret program or some magical line of code that can break into any device. In reality, cybersecurity is built around understanding systems, writing code, automating tasks, and learning how vulnerabilities happen. Today, we're looking at 10 free coding projects and code-based tools that can help you build practical cybersecurity skills. Number 10. Python Port Scanner. In a controlled lab, it can help you learn what ports are, how services communicate, and why exposed services can become a security concern. Number 9. Password Strength Checker. This is one of the easiest security projects to build. A password checker can evaluate characteristics such as length, complexity, and whether a password appears in known compromised password lists. It teaches an important lesson: strong authentication starts with strong credentials. Number 8. File Integrity Monitor. A file integrity monitor calculates hashes of important files and checks whether those hashes change. If a protected file suddenly changes, the system can generate an alert. This is a simple concept, but it is widely relevant to real-world defensive security. Number 7. Log Analyzer. Every operating system generates logs. A Python-based log analyzer can search your own system logs for repeated failed logins, unusual activity, or other events that deserve attention. This introduces you to security monitoring and incident detection. Number 6. Network Information Tool. You can build a small program that displays information about your own network configuration. It can identify local IP addresses, interfaces, DNS configuration, and other basic networking information. Projects like this help beginners understand how devices communicate. Number 5. Hash Generator. A hash generator is another excellent beginner project. It can calculate SHA-256 or other cryptographic hashes for files and text. Hashes are used throughout cybersecurity for integrity checking, digital forensics, and software verification. Number 4. Secure File Encryption Project. Build a small application that encrypts files using established cryptographic libraries. The important lesson isn't inventing your own encryption algorithm. It's learning about keys, authentication, secure storage, and why cryptography should normally rely on well-tested libraries. Number 3. URL Security Checker. A defensive URL checker can analyze a URL for basic warning signs, such as suspicious formatting or unusual domains. It can also connect with legitimate threat intelligence services to help identify potentially malicious links. This is a useful project for learning about phishing and online threats. Number 2. Security Header Checker. Websites send HTTP security headers that help protect users against various attacks. A simple checker can inspect your own website and report whether important security headers are configured correctly. This is a practical project for anyone interested in web security. Number 1. Build your own cybersecurity lab. This is the most important project of all. Create an isolated environment using virtual machines and deliberately vulnerable applications designed for security training. Practice networking, Linux administration, monitoring, application security, and defensive techniques inside that lab. You can experiment freely without touching somebody else's system. And here's the biggest lesson. There is no magic, hacking code that can break into any device. Real attacks depend on the operating system, software versions, configuration, vulnerabilities, authentication, network architecture, and many other factors. Cybersecurity isn't about finding one secret command. It's about understanding how systems work. If you're serious about learning, start with Python, Linux, networking, web technologies, and safe practice environments. Build projects. Break your own lab. Fix what you broke. Then repeat the process. That's how real cybersecurity skills are developed. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more cybersecurity projects, programming tutorials, privacy tools, and ethical security research. Because the most powerful cybersecurity skill isn't a secret code. It's understanding the technology you are trying to protect.